Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how you can get your hair this curly in 7 minutes and 20 seconds with a hair straightener. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So right now I'm gonna show you guys my technique. It's pretty much off right now. I just wanted to show you how I do it with a straightener. So the technique is to put your flat iron at an angle. You're gonna, where you want your curl to start, you're gonna overlap until you see this side of it, and you're gonna pull it down. So pretty much like that. Here is, I'll show you guys again. You're gonna put it like this where you want your curl to start. You're gonna over twist it until you see your hair in the mirror, and you're gonna go down. And the reason I have these lines is because I'm waiting, because I'm trying to show you guys, but usually you won't have that line because you're going really fast. You're gonna churn it and then pull it right away. So I'm gonna put my phone on timer and let's see how long it will take me to curl my whole hair with a straightener. Let's begin. I always start with the back just because then it can just fall to the back. So I'm curling it until I see my hair from the side and I am pulling it. And then I just do that and let it fall back. This side is all done, and tomorrow they're gonna look even better just because they're gonna loosen up. So one side is done and it's only been 3 minutes. I mean, how crazy is this? Okay, let's do this side. And the time is 7 minutes and 24 seconds. So here, this is how it looks. You can try to separate them to make them a little bit more. And this is all in 7 minutes. And here's the back.